Yes, hello students. Today we are discussing about the consumer's budget. What is budget? A budget is an estimation of a revenue and expenses over a specific future period of a time, that is known as the budget. But here the consumer's budget, here some assumptions are included in the consumer's budget. Let us consider a consumer who has only a fixed amount of money. Money means here income. M means here income to spend on a two goods. Two goods, consider X1 and X2. X1 denotes bananas and X2 denotes mangoes, and the price of the good are given in the market. The consumption bundles that are available to the consumers depends on the price of two goods and the income of the consumers. The given her fixed income and the price of the two goods that consumers can offer to buy only those bundles which cost her less than or equal to the income of the consumers. And here consumers budgets include two main points, that is a budget line and budget set. Here first we taken the budget set. Important concept. Therefore it is a 4 marks question. Budget set only budget set. The budget set, what is the budget set? The set of bundles available to the consumers is called the budget set. It means the budget set is thus the collection of all bundles that the consumer can buy with her income at the prevailing market prices. That is called a budget set. And next, for examples, I given one example to understand the budget set. Here suppose a consumer has an income of 20 rupees. Suppose consumer kade 20 rupees income with he wants to spend on the two commodities like X1 and X2, and both their prices are each one 5 rupees. X1 denotes mangoes, X1 denotes bananas and X2 denotes mangoes. X1 banana, X2 mangoes. Here first one, the bundles that this consumer can offer to buy 0, no, it is not equal to the income. 0 and 1, it means 0 means here banana and next X1 and X2. Here it is also not equal. Only four bundles are 5 bundles are equal here. 0, 4, it means 0 banana and 4 mangoes. 4 into 5 rupees, each price is 5 rupees, 20 rupees, it is equal to the 20 rupees of income. And 1 0, it is not equal to the income, and 1 also not equal to the income, and 1 2 also not equal to the income, and 1 3 can be equal to the income of the consumer. 1 banana and 3 mangoes, it means here 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 rupees, and 2 0 also not included, and 2 1 also not considered. Here 2 can be considered. 2 bananas and 2 mangoes, it means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 rupees, and 3 0 it is not considered. 3 1 can be considered here. 3 plus 1 and 4 0 can be considered. Among these bundles are 0 4 2 2 3 1 1 3 4 0. These are cost exactly equal to the income of the consumer, that is a 20 rupees. The consumers cannot offer to buy the like a 3 3 4 5 because of the income is less 20 rupees, but here the above the income, that the reason the consumer here cannot be buy these goods. If both the goods are perfectly divisible, the consumer's budget set would consist of all the bundles X1 plus X2. It means 0 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 3. Like X1 plus X2, such as X1 and X2 are the any numbers greater than or equal to the 0. here that the reason we can written like this, P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is less than or equal to the M here. This is the formula of a budget set and a budget line. And here what indicates this? M indicates the income of the consumer. M means money, it means income, the income of the consumer. P1 and P2 the price of bananas and mangoes are respectively. P1 means price of a banana, P2 means price of a mango here. And next, x1 quantities of bananas and x2 quantities of mango. P1 and x1 amount of money spent on the quantities of bananas, and P2 x2 amount of money spent on the quantities of mangoes. The consumer can buy any bundles x1 x2 such that xp1 x1 plus P2 x2 is a less than or greater than less than or equal to the M. Here the budget set can be explained with the help of a budget line or a diagram. Here I am given here bundles, here 0 4 last examples. So 1 3 1 2 2 and 3 1 and 4 0 here. That can be one will be increases here, one can be bananas increase means mangoes can be decreasing here. It means one will be the increases, one will be decreases here. For example, OYXS here mangoes and OXXS it is the bananas. This line is called budget line. Here M and P1 price of the mango and income, and next here income and next price of banana. P2 here P1, sorry, this one the P1 and P2. It is here we can write the formula P1 x1 plus P2 x2 is equal to M. It means this line is equal to any one combination, A, B, C, D, E combination. We can buy any one combination, it is equal to the M, income of the consumer. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20 rupees. Just like here we can buy any one combination, so we get the same equal to the income of the consumer. The line, what is a budget line? This one is the budget line, and this one is a triangular shape, we call that a budget set. This one is the budget set, this line is the budget line, and this line consists of all bundles which cost exactly equal to the M. This line is called budget line. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ budget line ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ budget line is equal to the income of the consumer M. That line is called budget line. That set is called budget set. 20 rupees ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ that is called budget set. And this one is the 4 marks question of the budget set. Only this one is the budget set. Examples here, meaning, examples, and formula is important. And next here these are don't write, ಇವನ್ನ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಜ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂದು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ here this one formula and this diagram and diagram explanations. And next another one important topic, that is a derivation of the slope of the budget line. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 4 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಬಟ್ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. And budget line is, it means what is a budget line? It means the line consists of all bundles which cost exactly equal to the M. It means any one combination. We can buy different combinations here, locals of the different combinations of 2 goods which consumers which cost exactly his income. For example, here 20, suppose the consumer has an income of 20 rupees, he wants to spend it on 2 commodities, bananas x1 and mangoes x2, and both are priced at 5 rupees each. Now the consumers has 3 options to spend the entire income. First one, buy 4 units of bananas. It means 4 0 4 banana and 0 mangoes. And second one option 4 buy 4 units of mangoes x2 0 bananas and 4 mangoes, and buy 2 units of bananas x1 and buy 2 units of mangoes x2. It means equal to the 2 banana and 2 mangoes. These are the three options. To buy any one he can buy, he get the same, it means equals to the income of his income. And next, when all these three bundles are represented graphically, we get the downwards slope of the budget line. That line is called budget line, or it is also called a price line, and it is also called a budget constraint. Both all are same here. The slope of the budget line measures the amount of a change in mangoes required per unit of a change in bananas. Per unit, that will be the increase in the banana, means here per unit of the mango will be decreasing. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಬನಾನಾಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಬನಾನಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದ mangoes. It means banana increases means mangoes decreasing. That the reason the slope of the curve slope downwards from the left to right. It's downwards from the left to right. For example, per unit x1 and x2 delta x1 plus delta x1 x2 plus delta x2 you can add here, and it is equal to the m. We get the p1 x1 plus p2 x2 is equal to m, and p1 x1 plus delta x1 it will be added. Suppose we subtract them minus, we get the 0. It means delta also change, also here some one increasing and some the mangoes bananas are increasing, mangoes are decreasing. Also sometimes mangoes increasing, bananas decreasing, means the curve will be slopes downwards from left to right. We can see here o axis x o x axis it is the bananas, and o y axis it is the mangoes, and this is the line is a straight line. We calling that budget line is a straight line. It's the downward slopes from a downward left to right downwards, and that the reason here one here mango or banana increase decreases ಆದವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will be effect on the line. Here x1 and x2, banana x1 mango x2, here changes. How much of the changes? Delta x1. Suppose line correct idru adasta bardೈತಿ. Suppose it will be the delta x2 and delta x1, that will be changes, means it is equal to the income of the consumer. Here x1 plus delta x, for example we seen here this one delta change ಆದರೂ ಸಹಿತ it is equals to the income of the consumers. That reason the budget line slopes from left to right downwards. It slopes downwards, straight line. Yes, this is the 4 marks question and answer. Derivation of the demand curve, and next budget set. These are the both are important. Here another one important concept are included in the consumer's budget, that is the project oriented question. 5 marks question. It is the compulsory question for annual exams. Compulsory question it is. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ. ಡೇಟಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ 10 rupees 5 rupees and 20 rupees. Okay, what is the question? A consumer wants to consume 2 goods. The price of bananas is rupees 5 and the price of mangoes is rupees 10. The consumer's income 40 rupees. Banana price 5 rupees, mango price 10 rupees, income ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 40 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಬನಾನಾ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ಆ ಬನಾನಾ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 40 rupees ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬನಾನಾ, ಹೌ ಮ್ಯಾನಿ ಬನಾನಾಸ್ ಶಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೈ. ಹಿಯರ್ 8 bananas, 40 divided by 5. ಅದರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ, ಬನಾನಾ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 5 rupees ಐತಿ. 40 divided 5 is equal to 8 bananas. Answer is 8 bananas. And second one question, how much mangoes can she consumes if she spends entire income on the good? For example, income is 40 rupees, mango price estaithi 10 rupees aiti. 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4 mangoes. Answer is 4 mangoes. And next question, third question, is the slope of the budget line downwards or upwards? Yes, answer is a downward slope of the budget line. D question, are the bundles on the budget line equal to the consumer's income or not? Yes, the budget line is equal to the consumer's income. Always budget line andre consumer's income ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. And next, if you want to have a more of a bananas, you have to give up mangoes. Is it true? Yes, is it true? ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬನಾನಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ನಾವು ಫರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That's the reason it is yes, it is true. Yes, if we want to have a more banana, we have to give up the mangoes. These are the 5 questions of the project oriented question. A, B and C, D, E. Each questions here equals to the one marks question. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೂ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 1 or 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಸಲು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವುದನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಿದೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಬ್ರೀಫ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಜೆಟ್ line. And 5 marks project oriented question they are given in this chapter. Yes, thank you. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.